It's a new update. It's a new update. Okay, let's read it. So you've seen that. Apparently, there's something different in Forest. We're gonna check out the cosmetics first. Let's see what we have. Whoa. This is sick. Yo. What is this? What is that? Ew, those. How much? 2,500, not bad. That. I love spicy stuff. And, alright, let's see what this is. I mean, that. Oh. Oh, it's a fan. Oh, that's sick, like your GTA eyes. Alright, what is? Gotta close one eye. And it looks cool. Then this. Yo! I think I'm gonna get this. This is actually sick. Gloves. No, not that yet. Now this. Astronaut. Alright, take these off. Ew! Okay. And this. And the chili. It was gonna do something. Well, I had a feeling that it would do something like that. And because there was a poster. Still there. Fuck you. Alright. Now that we've checked out everything, let's see. Actually, I wonder if we can see the volcano from up here. Okay, let me try. I know I've done it before. Not a map over here before. Yep. Actually, I realized the mistake I've made, and I'm coming, and I disconnected. Alright, let's try not to do that again. Private code, by the way. And the rocket ship's taking off again. Hurry, upload me in. Got 5 seconds before I get off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, I'm getting off. Just kidding. Alright, now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see what's new. Wow. Oh, what? Doug. I missed. Ow! What is this? What? What did I do? This is cool, I guess. What the? Hold on, I wanna test. Hurry, go faster, dummy. Faster, faster, faster. Whoa. The heck? Whoa! What if I put another? Oh no! What the? Oh! What? What? That's so cool! That's so cool! What the? Oh my god. Ow! Keep hitting myself. Ow! Get me out, get me out, get me out. Bro. This is actually insane. Alright, well that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.